Rumi once said, "Raise your words, not your voice. It is rain that grows flowers, not thunder." In a world full of noise, everyone wants to be heard, but very few people truly know how to speak. People raise their voices thinking it makes them powerful. They shout in arguments and they interrupt in conversations, and they think that being loud makes them strong. But the truth is, real strength lies in calm, not in chaos. Impact comes not from shouting, but from what you say and how you say it. A loud voice might silence a room, but a wise word can silence a storm. When you speak with respect, even in anger, you lead. When you stay calm, even in conflict, you rise. Don't try to win with noise. Win with wisdom. Win with grace. Win with depth. Because thunder makes noise, but it's the gentle rain that brings life. So raise your words, not your voice. Let your speech be soft, but your message unforgettable.